Hello everybody. I just ran some miles and I'd like to share some of the quotes that I actually learned over the course of running and getting in shape. One of them is to simply say and affirm it to yourself as you run, and it's when it's really hard, which is, I find comfort in discomfort. And you just keep saying it, I find comfort in discomfort. And the second one is simply, I pour sweat till I pour cash. I pour sweat till I pour cash. Or I find comfort in discomfort. It's an early morning running, and it's a really great feeling. So just do not forget to say those.